Hey, welcome to Tech Talk. In today's video, I have a really cool app that I think you're going to love, especially if you do a lot of transcribing. Vibe is free, open source software for the Mac, Windows, and Linux. All you have to do is download and install it, and I will have a link to the video at the end of this video. But if you're looking to transcribe MP3s or MP4s, or if you want to just talk into a microphone and have it transcribe what you say, this app is for you. So let me show you real quick how to use it. Once the app is installed and opened, this is what you're going to see. Now you'll have an option where you can just drag and drop a file in here, or you can record. So let's try the record option first. Now, when you click this microphone, if you get a pop-up saying allow or deny, hit allow. And then we're going to go ahead and click record. Hi, my name is Ed Wallace. I am recording this for YouTube. I'm going to click up here to the top, scroll down. Hi, my name is Ed Wallace, period. I am recording this for YouTube. As you can see, it nailed it. So let's try an MP4. Which is just a video. So I'm going to click change file here. Actually, I'll do an MP3 first. Okay, I have an MP3 in here. I just click transcribe. And it's at 79% already. Now, once it's done transcribing, it was fairly quick. I'll scroll down a little bit. You'll notice that there's a little glitch to this. You have to click to the top or in here somewhere in the black and hit the down arrow, and then you can see the words. So I'm just going to play real quick to show you that it nailed it.
The house is finally quiet now. The tools are put away. I'm wiping the sweat from off my brow.
So as you can see, it nailed it. So now we can test an MP4. So let me go into here, change file, and I will go back and grab an MP4. And this is the video right here. And I'm going to hit transcribe. And we already know the words to it. So we'll see how long it takes to do a video versus an MP3. Now, if anything in this video helps you, please consider hitting at least thumbs up. And of course, I would love to have you subscribe. As you can see, it's done transcribing. So we're going to scroll down and you can see it's the same lyrics. The house is finally quiet now. The tools are put away. I'm wiping sweat from off my brow. And it nailed it. So that's it. So as you can see, this application Vibe, free, open source for Mac, Windows, and Linux, is just unbelievable. So it'll cut down a lot of time. So, hey, give it a shot. If this helps you, comment below. Let me know what you think. And of course, I'd love to have you subscribe. All right, thanks for watching.